Welcome to qnawire.
This question we are given Americans appear to be eating healthier. In this question we are given Americans the data about the that group data about the three group that eat the healthy food. So Americans they're eating healthier here that eating healthier. Here we can write eating healthier. So here we can write eating healthier. And between the 1970 and 2000, and the per capita consumption of broccoli they increased 1000%. So we can write 1000. We can write from here we can write from 0.5 to 5.5 pound. Here we can write 5.5 pounds. We are given a value of alpha here. So value of alpha is 0.05. And in this question we want to find that what is the difference between in the mean. So this value we want to find. So group A, group B, and group C we are given here. So let's solve this question. So here first understand that the if we have a group A here, group B and group C. So for the group A data, the x bar which is equal, we can write 11.8 here, 11.8. Sample size we are given here, n which is equal to 5. Summation of x which is equal, we can write 59. Here summation of x which is equal, we can write 59. Now here we are given here this value is 3.8. Here we can write 5. Here we can write 19. Now this value here is 7.6. Here you can write 5 and here you can write 38. We can write the x which is equal, we can write x bar which is equal to bar to bar, we can write here 116 divided by here 15 divided by 15. We just simplify and we can write here answer is 7.73. So this is the value of here x double bar. Now here we can write the here ss, here we can write the value, right, SST which is equal to summation, through summation we can write here in this question we can write Kij, that is we can write Kij minus we can write x double bar square. We just substitute values, we can write 10 minus 7.73 square plus 1 plus. Here in this question we can write 4 minus 7.73 square. Now we just simplify and we can write here answer is 264.9335. 9335. So this is the value. Now here we can write here SSCE which is equal, you can write summation Ri. Here we can write summation Ri and into the bracket we can write x bar minus x double bar whole square. We can write, let's substitute a value into this formula. So we can write here value here is 5. Here this value is n, value is n. Into the bracket we can write value is 11.8 minus we can write 7.73 square. Now we just simplify. Here again we can write 5 multiplied by we can write 3.8 minus we can write 0.73 square plus we can write here 5 multiplied by 7 here 76 minus we can write 7.73 square. Here we can write 7.6. Now we just simplify and we can write your answer. We can write answer is 160.1335. 1335. Now here we can write here and taking difference. So SSE which is equal, we can write 2 here 264. Here we can write 264.9335 minus we can write 9335 minus we can write 160.1335. Now we just simplify and we can write the answer is 104.8. So this is the value of SSE. Now here let's write out the MSSE. Here MSSE which is equal, we can write here 160. Here you can write 160. You can write 160 point here 1335 divided by we can write 2. We just simplify and we can write here answer is 80.066775. 6675. Now here we can write MSE which is equal, you can write here 104.8 divided by 12. We just simplify and we can write here answer is 8.733 here. So this is the value. Now again we can write here that f which is equal to here Here in this question we can write fh is equal to 0.006675 divided by, here we can write 8.733. Now we just simplify and we can write here answer is 9.168. Here we can write final answer here you can write final answer is 212, here 0.05, which is equal answer is 3. Right answer is 3.89. So this is the here answer.